All right, everybody, we are going to spend today trying to assemble the selfie stick. This activity will be broken up into multiple parts. Basically, for each selfie stick part, I'm going to make a new video. So follow along and we'll see if we can put this thing together. We're going to start by starting in an assembly. I have an assembly pulled up already. So once you have created an assembly, which you can do by tapping that little arrow at the bottom and doing plus and create assembly, you'll have the assembly, and then you're going to import some parts. Now, since we're inserting the parts of the whole selfie stick, we're going to select all of them. So I'm going to put in the full roller bottom and top, the thumb screw, the shoe, all these different parts. All right, once those are in, I can close that and we are ready to go. So the first thing I want to do is I want to decide which part is kind of our centerpiece, which is the crux of this assembly. And this part right here is really kind of the centerpiece. That's where all the movement happens for the most part. So that's the one I want to make fixed. So I want this one part to be stationary in space. I don't want it moving around. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on the three dots and I'm going to go to fix. And once I've done that, you'll notice over here there's a little fix symbol that's showing up, and that thing is fixed. So I double tap to get out of it, and now I have all these other parts.